welcome back to another episode of the House Hunny. Subscribe to the channel. I'm Autumn Adams and I'm going to be touring another home with you guys today. This is a special one. Hit that post notification bell so you guys will always be in the know of when I drop a new episode. So today we are going to be looking at a Veridian home. This is the MAYBECK floor plan. So this home offers a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath floor plan. It's 3,044 square feet. It has 2 stories. There is an open kitchen to the great room and the dining area. There's a fireplace in the great room, quartz kitchen countertops, 2 flex rooms for a dining room and office, etc. Auburn Ridge cabinetry. Owner's suite has walk-in closets and a private bath. Bedroom 2 also has its own ensuite bath. There's 9 feet ceilings on the first floor, so we're walking in. We're looking up at the upstairs, which peaks to the below. This is an energy expert certified home, and it also comes with some optional features, but we'll get into that. So as you can see, we're walking into the kitchen area, dining room, living room. It's an open floor plan. So the kitchen has quartz countertops, Auburn Ridge cabinetry. This home has a fireplace. And this is just a really pretty floor plan. I love how they have it decorated. It's like a farmy type of a feel, and it's very open. So some of the optional features, so you can have a butler's pantry, a wine or coffee bar put in if you'd like. You can personalize the closet systems, and you can opt in for a whirlpool and soaking tub along with tray ceilings. So there's a lot of stuff that you can do with this home, but honestly, with this specific home, this model, I think they kind of kept it pretty basic, which is nice so that you can see what you can get without all of that. Here's another one of the flex rooms that I love. It's closed off. It's got these little cute double doors. And it's a really nice size too. Like when you walk in, it's really spacious. And you can get that space by closing the doors off. I always thought that was really cool. There's someone working in the front. So I couldn't show you guys the office little section, but it's right when you walk in to the left. And that was really, really spacious too. I wish I could have showed you guys that, but she was working for the day and I didn't want to intrude on her space, so we didn't get a chance to see that, but you guys can see literally everything else. How they have the dark island wood paired with the oak in the kitchen. That's a really nice touch. It gives it like some depth almost. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. Honestly, I think this model home has granite. That looks like granite. I could be wrong, but it looks like granite to me. I don't know what you guys think. And let me know how you guys like this house. Check out the floor plan. Check out the website. But what do you guys think of the MAYBECK by Veridian Homes? If you guys got this in order, this is now the 3rd Veridian home that we toured. Check out some of the other videos and subscribe. So now we're going upstairs. So this is where all 4 of the bedrooms are, with 2 suites. So there's the master, and then there's the second bedroom that has its own private bathroom. The upstairs is not furnished, you guys. I'm sorry, it's not. But as you can see, it's still a really beautiful home. And it kind of speaks for itself. I'm sure you guys can imagine some of your furniture in there and what you guys would do with this space. So now we're going into the second bedroom. So let's see. The second bedroom, and that's 13 feet times 12 feet. The third bedroom is 12 feet by 11. And then the fourth bedroom is 12 feet by 12 feet. And the owner's suite is 16 by 15. I'll try to put the inches, the square inches of each bedroom up on the screen so you guys can see it. And here's the bathroom that's shared upstairs, which I think is really cute, really modern. It's got its own separate area for the toilet, which I think is really nice. Solves a lot of problems early on. Okay, so here's the master. The master is furnished. So this has vaulted ceilings, tray ceilings. This is an option that they decided to incorporate in this model home. And as you can see, there is plenty of natural light. Me personally, that is no bueno for me. Unless, of course, I'm trying to let that light in, but sometimes I feel like the light can be a little bit too much. But I mean, in a house like this, you have nothing but space to go and find whatever lighting you need, or even just close the blinds. Ooh, you guys, I love this bathroom. I literally love this bathroom. It's so cute. It's not huge, but it is so cute. And I can tell they put a lot of effort into creating, you know, the most luxurious bathroom they could create in such a small space. So you've got those 2 dual sinks, the vanity, and then I like the middle part that kind of sits up. This is just a shower, but again, you guys can opt in for a garden or a whirlpool tub. I would absolutely do that. But if you guys are shower people, then hey, check out that shower. And again, the separate tub situation, very, very convenient. Plenty of storage, as you can see. Amazing closet. Amazing closet. These are custom built-ins. This is a personalized system that you can opt in and get through Veridian Homes. And yeah, I think it's worth it. Look at that storage space. Ugh. Okay, so as you can see, we are coming back around to the final bedroom that I did not go in. I was trying to hurry up and get as much footage as I could. Oh, I did win it. No, I didn't. Yes, I did. Okay. So yes, so this is the final bedroom, which has the bathroom. Obviously not as fancy, but I mean, you get a tub. You get a tub. And look at the flooring. Oh, that floor just has so much character. I love those mosaic tiles. Such a nice touch. Okay, one more little peek at this overhead look to the downstairs with this beautiful Addams Family type chandelier that is just gorgeous. And back downstairs we go. With the window. I like that touch too. Add some light into that area. Alright, you guys. Again, that was the MAYBECK model through Veridian Homes. I love the house. I love the decor. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. You guys like this house, this style, home? And subscribe to the channel, please, and thank you. Hit that post notification bell, and I will be touring a lot of homes with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in another episode.